I was asked to do a commentary track, a retrospective on all my on-screen coffee events from 2020, including one outtake they're insisting I put in. I don't have a lot of time because we're working on something absolutely massive for 2021, and because I'm a really important person. Excuse me. Oh, hey. Oh, can I call you back? Aw, you too, Oprah Winfrey. You're so sweet. All right. Okay, talk to you later. Yeah. Now I love you too. What? Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we can talk about it. Really? Okay, I gotta go. I gotta finish this video. Okay. Talk to you later, Oprah. Bye-bye. Silly. So there are 5 clips. 1. This was the first time they caught me using the force on camera. I don't like to brag about it, but it's a fun party trick back in Iceland. 2nd clip, late night spill. That one was particularly, oh gosh, that's so embarrassing. Look at that. My leg got so wet. But not really, because we used tarps and gaffer tape. This next one is from the first ever micro lesson. People think it's a visual effect, but it's actually real life. Coffee. Press return. Quick find is that powerful. 4th is Grímur's hand. Get ready. 1 on the trackpad and 1 on the coffee. Grímur's hand. Now I switch between breakpoint. For real though, I do like coffee. And the last clip was really fun because I got to move the coffee with the mouse. Can we do this in real life? You see, it's an ergonomic mouse, so it's much more powerful and much better in my opinion. As for the outtake, we never used this one, but there's this fully loaded Mac Pro, and I thought we had the coffee cup rigged. By the way, this might be a bit uncomfortable to watch, so maybe consider stopping the video. Gonna end up spilling it, never mind. There we go. If you haven't stopped the video, I warned you. Here comes the outtake. I like coffee so much. So much. Wow, that's an embarrassing outtake. Anyway, I gotta get back to work. 2021 is going to be unreal. Cut to the logo. Now I can do anything I want without consequence.